Hello students, I am Deepak Bharti. Welcome to Advanced English Zone. We will study about 10 new words. Fyal means CC. Aankh Micholi, that's called blind man's buff. Joru ka gulam, hand packed. Pakadam pakadai, that's called tag game. Pandal, that's called marke. Nas chadna, that is meaning chale horse. Gaant, that's called lump. Khichdi, hodgepodge. Matri, flaky biscuit. Murabba, marmalade. Sehra, that's called headdress. Thank you and have a nice day, students. Thank you.